Are you feeling afraid of using public transport due to COVID-19 pandemic situation? Well, only cab service can help you to enjoy safe journey. But sometimes, you have to wait along for your booked cab, right? It's very disgusting. Looking for any convenient option? Book your ride now from Texas Yellow Cab and Checker Taxi Service. It is a leading taxi service provider company in Waxahachie, Texas, famous for offering 24/7 door-to-door transportation. They have a fleet of vehicles in fully air-conditioned, clean, well-maintained and sanitized condition. Their drivers are well-trained, experienced and courteous to ensure passengers' safety and security. Their drivers are well-trained, experienced and courteous to ensure passengers' safety and security. They always take the best possible shortcut routes so that their passengers can reach their destination on keen. And the most important fact is that, they always ask for affordable taxi fare compared to other cab services available there. So, stop thinking so much. Now you can book a taxi anytime, anywhere by dialing 817-881-6863. Even you can share your requirements by sending them an email at contact@bigtexascabs.com. If you have any further query, then you can browse through their official website https://bigtexascabs.com/.